video tutorial series Forex Zero to Hero. I will give you brief understanding about what is Forex and the knowledge you want to do in the Forex trading, technical analysis as well as the fundamental analysis, technical indicators, the basic knowledge you should have in the Forex trading. In this video I will teach you what is Forex and what is Forex trading. What are the major currency pairs? What is mean by the base currency and code currency? And also in this screen you can see the basic analysis done by me in past week, and you can see it gives massive profit. In here you can see it is more than 200 pips. I will guide you from 0 to this level. In the first video I will teach you what is Forex, and also I will guide you as the explanation in the babypips.com. You can also go and get the basic understanding in what is Forex mean, the foreign real exchange market. You will be affected in different scenarios, and you, with your known knowledge or not, you are using Forex market in day-to-day life. As an example, when you go to the bank and send money to a friend in the another country, as an example, when you are in US, you want to send money to the friend in the Canada via the bank, so you will be indirectly using the foreign exchange rates. In there are several factors you want to know. In the basic video I will tell you what is Forex. Forex is the global financial market that allows one to trade currencies. You can use the banks. I will guide you with the examples. When you deal with, as an example, when you buy the items with the AliExpress or eBay, you will convert your currency, or you will currency to the other currencies such as US dollars. When you pay with the credit card or debit card, it is also go through the banks. In the banks they are buying and selling currencies. The gap within the buying and selling currency prices, as an example, when $1 is take by the bank to 1.5 LKR or currency, it is sell it to 1.7 LKR. So there is a gap between the buying and selling currency. So that is the mean by the bank commission. And also in the Forex market it is called the spread. As an example, Forex is based on the exchange rates. Exchange rate is the relative to the two currencies from two different currencies. As an example, when we take as the Euro USD pair, the base currency is the Euro currency and USD currency is the code currency. What is mean by the base currency? Base currency is the currency which has the highest value and which has strong value compared to the USD currency. When you want to buy Euro, you should give USD 1.21587, and 1 euro is worth $1.218587. So in these are the major currencies, and the odd New Zealand. So you can see in here USD, Euro are the major currencies, major trading pairs in the Forex market. And also you can see the different currencies in different currency code in the different currency used in the country. As an example, in United States it is used dollar and the code is USD. In the Eurozone use Euro and the code is Euro. You can see the basic currencies in the Forex market. The most tradable pair is the Euro USD. And also you should know technical and fundamental analysis. I will guide you in the later videos in Forex Zero to Hero tutorial series. And also when you trading currency pairs, you should select a good broker, and I will guide you how to select a good broker and what is a pip, what is lot, and other things in the next video tutorial series. If you have any problems, please like and comment in the video. I will solve in the next tutorial series. And also, as an example, the forex market open in the Monday to Friday. There are different sessions such as New York, London and Australian, and other New York, London, Tokyo and sessions. These are the major sessions in the forex market, and also I will explain in the later videos. Please like and subscribe the channel. Stay tuned for future profit videos. Thank you.